Okay guys, believe it or not, the Ultra B does have reverse, and man, it is a handy feature. I've needed it many times, trailblazing, doing deep hardcore trail riding where you're gonna go down some little thing that you can't get out of. You'll be straining your guts to get out of, and if you had reverse, you would just back up. So here it is, really nice, really simple. You see the little R and S button? Well, the R stands for reverse. And I'm going to show you a couple other little tricks I just learned on this thing. I'm not sure if they're legit or not, so guys with an Ultra B, let me know. Okay, so to go in reverse, you can see it's in ready mode. It's as simple as pushing and holding this button, and you'll hear a cluck, and you'll see the R show up on the screen, and that means you're in reverse. Then you simply turn the throttle, and you'll be able to back up. So I'm holding the button to keep it in reverse while I back up 5 or 6 feet to get out of my bad position. And here we go. Release it again, and the R disappears, and you're taking off and forward. One other interesting thing about this same button, which does other settings, is it does the traction control on the fly all by itself. So watch this. I'll hit it once quickly, and you can see A1 come up. Okay, A1 is the traction setting. I've got it set on the lease. Now, interesting enough, if you hit this twice quickly, bang, bang, it goes to A2. Twice quick again, bang, bang, it goes to A3, and bang, bang, back to A1. So this button also changes your traction control on the fly very quickly with a double tap. Now, something I just learned, which is a little odd, a little scary, I'm not sure if it's meant to be, please let me know if you have one of these. I just discovered this playing with this to make the video, and that is the reverse lockout button. You can push this button in and down, and it locks. See, watch this, hands free, hands are off, right? It's in reverse, the light's on. If I hit the throttle, I'm going backwards and I'm never stopping. The only way to get it out is another kind of push and release. You kind of just have to pop it. I don't know if this is actually supposed to be that way, but I popped it and it released it. But you could see I had a little difficulty. It's almost as if it's not really meant to be. It kind of seems deliberate, but it might not be. Again, push and hold, reverse pops on, release, reverse pops off. However, push and push down, it locks. It's locked on, my hand is not on the button as you can see, and it stays in reverse. Guys, let me know if that's meant to be, or is that something wrong with my switch? It seems deliberate, we'll find out. Appreciate any likes and subscribes, I hope that helps. Take care guys, gonna release this thing so I don't start off in reverse. It is a little hard to, there it goes, undone now. Take care.